Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today is December's Boxycharm. So this month is Whimsy. And also, so I've been doing Boxycharm since August and I've been on the waiting list and finally I've been accepted for the Boxyluxe. So this month will be Boxyluxe. So I'm so excited and I wanted to show you guys the difference. Look at the difference in that box. Oh my God. I wish it was a Boxyluxe every month. Be so exciting. Super big. So anyways, I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I got the Fresh Fairy Tales cosmetic book eyeshadow palette. They're pretty colors, but they're definitely outside of my comfort zone. So I will probably need to do a lot of practicing with these type of colors. And that retails for $55. And then I also got this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, and that was $79. Hoping this will help with my dryness that I have. Super cute bottle. And then I got the oh my God, Siete London Confetti Highlighter. That retails for $32. So stupid. Anyways, super pretty colors. Then I got the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Excited to try this out. If I like it, and I like it a lot, I will do an updated video on it. And that retailed for $48. And then I got this like hair towel. I don't know if I'm going to use it. We'll see. And that retails for $18. And then I got this Power Up Dual Setting Spray. You can use it before you put your makeup on or after you put your makeup on, and that's $32. And then I got this Greengrass Dry Oil Spray Beach Air, and that retails for $36. Now, I've already read some of this, and it looks like you can use it on your hair. So I'm excited to try that out because I do have hair extensions, and they do get dry. So I'm going to be trying this out, and if I like it, I will definitely do an updated video on this. Yeah. So I also got this Too Faced Rich Dazzling Lip Gloss, and that retails for $21. And I got Crazy Rich, and I'm just loving the bottle. I can get it out. Stuck in there good. Just so pretty. Love that. And then I picked this for my option for this month. So I got the facial roller, and I'm in awe. $69 this values for. So this bad boy better work. And I'll have to read the directions and we'll see. So I just can't believe $69. Woo. So the whole thing was a $390 value. I'm not totally sure what I paid for this month. I think it was like $55, but I'm not totally sure, but still $390 for all this stuff. You can't beat that. So yeah, if you enjoy this look, you should keep on watching, and we're going to try out all this stuff. Okay guys, so I did not put any moisturizer on so we can test out the oil. I hope it works because I'm super dry. So out of the two oils, I'm going to do the Elemis Rose Facial Oil. I'm not going to try both. So I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. And it says to do 3 to 4 drops. I'm going to do 4 because I'm super dry. Oh, that didn't work out. I've never done like this oil stuff before. So, it smells good. Maybe I'm putting too much in the dropper. I don't know, I'm putting a crap load on because I'm gonna mess. I am like so dry. Put it all over my eyes. I just hope this doesn't make me like greasy, but then again, I probably put too much on, so that would be my fault, I guess. It smells really good. But I don't know. I like my moisturizer I use, so I don't know. Maybe I should have just dropped it into my hand. Oh, I think I got that all in. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Next, I'm going to try out the setting spray. So we'll see. It says to shake that up. Oh, now my hands are all slippery. Has a little bit of a smell to it. I don't know if I like that. All right, so I'm gonna go put on my brows and my eye base, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got my brows done and my eyeshadow base on. Today I'm using my NYX in Skin Tone. And so I'm gonna go a little crazy today, and I'm gonna do a liquid foundation in NARS, which is Santa Fe. I normally use like a pressed powder type foundation, so hopefully I do well with this. I have been practicing, but I'm still not the best at it. I also got this little brush in my last month's Boxycharm, so I'm gonna try this out to put it on. I'm just gonna squirt a little on there and start from the inner and just brush around. Does pretty good work, and it's weird how like it doesn't even show the foundation on there, but I don't think it turned out too bad. Definitely don't wear this every day. So now I'm going to go into my concealer, and I'm using the NARS in Light. Then I'm going to use the NYX powder. It's finishing powder. It's white. So I just recently started trying to do this even with my pressed powder foundation. So I'm still practicing. And I'm going to just take one of my little It's brushes to brush that loose powder around. All right, and then next is my eyeliner. Right now I'm using the Marc Jacobs in black. So far I'm really loving this stuff. Now I'm gonna use for this eyeshadow look my It's brushes that I just love, and I don't remember what this is called, a BMX. I don't know, I got it in one of my Boxycharm boxes, and I really like it for my under my lashes, so I'm gonna just make sure all of them are cleaned off from past looks. All right, now we're gonna go into this cute little fairy tale story cosmetics. Let's hope I can do a cute look. I'm a little nervous, so I'm gonna start with, I think, that one. Not my colors. I don't know. I'm just not that good at it. I'm not totally digging it. Definitely outside of my comfort zone. So we'll finish this off with my mascara that I love, my Essence Lashes. Okay, next I'm gonna go on to my blush. Use my Merle Norman Tiki Wood. All right, now we're gonna try the Ciete London Confetti Highlighter. So pretty. I'm excited to try this out. And then I'm just going to use this little, I think it's a blush brush. Just try to get all those colors in there. like it. Probably not using the right brush for it, but I think it turned out pretty good. Now, super excited to try, if I can find it here, the Too Faced lip gloss. I'm so excited to try this, and I got Crazy Rich. Loving the sparkle in there. I'm definitely a glitter girl. Oh, I'm in love. I love it. I think this will also go great with my everyday Merle Norman lipstick that I use all the time to give it a little bit of glitter, sparkle. I'm a sparkle girl. I love my glitter. So, yeah, I'm not digging the eyeshadow. I'm not very good at it. I need to practice. It's wild colors for me. I'm not a makeup artist, so it is what it is. Yeah, I'm loving the highlighter. Love the lipstick. And the oil, I'm probably going to use that more as a nighttime routine, maybe to help, because it does say it helps with wrinkles and stuff. Maybe use it around my eyes and just play with it and see how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe.